Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about substitution for definite integrals.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from 0 to 1 of a 24x over 4x squared plus 4 squared dx, and we're given a u value of 4x squared plus 4. And we need to express this definite integral in terms of u, but we're not going to solve it. Well, we have a u value right here, so let's go find my du value. Well, derivative there of 2 comes down times 4 is 8, so we have an 8x, don't worry about the 4, dx. Well, we have our du value, let's see how it applies with our integral right off the bat. Right here we see a 4x squared plus 4 as our u value. My du is 8x dx. We have a 24 right here. Pretty close, we have an x dx but 24. Well, 24 is 3 times 8. And there we have it. We see the 8x right here, dx being the du. So we can rewrite this integral. Don't worry about the bounds yet, from 0 to 1, ignore that. And we have a du value, 8x dx, and a u value down here of 4x squared plus 4. So we have a 3 left in the numerator, 3 over u squared du. But what about our bounds from 0 to 1? Well, those are in terms of x. We're now in terms of u. So we're going to take what we know of u, call it u1, and we're going to plug in our lower bound 0 and for x to find its equivalent with u. 4 times 0 squared plus 4. Well, 4 times 0 squared is 0 plus 4 is 4. Great. Lower bound is a 4. u2, same thing. 4 times upper bound 1 squared plus 4. What do we have? We have 4 times, 1 squared is 4, plus 4 is an 8. Okay? So we have an upper bound of 8. And there we have it. We have our final answer. Our integral now in terms of u is an integral from 4 to 8 of 3 over u squared du. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.